In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Notion with Google Calendar for a seamless two-way communication experience between the two platforms. Start by navigating to the Notion website. After accessing the site, locate and click on your account profile icon positioned at the top left corner of the screen. This step will open a drop-down menu where you'll want to select the Settings option to enter your settings panel. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for and select the Connections tab. This is your gateway to integrating various applications, allowing Notion to communicate effectively with them. Now continue by clicking on the Browse Connections in Gallery option. Here, you'll find a plethora of available apps and tools to integrate with Notion. Your task is to identify and click on the ToSync integration, which is custom built for facilitating two-way synchronization between Google Calendar and Notion. After selecting ToSync, proceed by clicking on the Learn More link. This option will guide you to more detailed instructions and information regarding the functionality and setup of this integration. Now navigate to Google Calendar and Notion Sync. This is the crucial step where the actual linking begins. Understand how the data flows by mapping fields between Notion and Google Calendar. Here, you identify what information needs to sync back and forth between these applications. As you set it up, make sure you choose the specific calendar you wish to sync with Notion. This step ensures you're linking the correct calendar account, especially if you manage multiple Google calendars. Once you've selected your calendar, click Continue to advance to the next stage. At this point, you'll have the opportunity to specify the event and task details that move from Notion to your Google Calendar and vice versa. Make sure to select these according to your personal or organizational needs. Continue with the setup by clicking Continue through the remaining prompts. While it might seem repetitive, keep in mind that these confirmations ensure every detail is correct, preventing any mishaps during synchronization. When you're comfortable with all your settings, it's time to test your new configuration. Click on Test Synchronization to ensure that everything is set up correctly and that data flows seamlessly. If the test is successful, you're now ready to reap the benefits of having your Notion and Google Calendar data coexist and update regularly in tandem. Embrace this newfound synchronization to enhance productivity, keeping your scheduling and note-taking intimately connected and utterly efficient.